What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going on a little morning walk right now, and as you can see, the weather is not good at all. Being 6 weeks out from my show, I do need to do more cardio. I need to get conditioned, more lean. So I'm out here doing like a morning walk so I can get my steps in. I'm supposed to get 10 to 12k steps a day on top of the 35 minutes of cardio that I'm already doing. So I like to start my day getting some steps in so I don't have to worry about that later on. I'll still have to do some later in the day because I'm not going to get all 10,000, 12,000 steps right now. But going on these morning walks will help me save some time later in the day. For today's video, I know I haven't done one of these in a minute, and I thought it would be a great time to do one now since I am prepping for a bodybuilding show. But I'm going to be doing a full day of eating for you guys. I'm just going to record everything I eat, show you guys all my meals, and kind of how I make every single meal. I do get a lot of questions about what I eat and what's my diet like and all that stuff. So I'm gonna run you guys through everything I eat today once I get inside. But the weather is looking like it's gonna rain soon. So I'm probably gonna head inside and I'll show you guys meal number one.
It's your chance, take my hand, come with me. It's like I waited my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance floor. 'Cause we only got one night. Double your pleasure, double your fun, and dance forever.
Alright guys, we are back in the house and just made our first meal. Not even gonna lie, I kind of spaced out. I'm just gonna blame it on my prep brain and how I'm like on minimal food. But my oatmeal, I usually eat for my pre-workout meal, but I made it for breakfast for some reason. I have no clue why I thought that. No big deal. I'm just gonna eat this right now for breakfast, and I'll eat my beef and rice for my pre-workout meal, which you guys will see a little later. But I have my breakfast right behind me. It's gonna be on the screen, but for breakfast, we have 40 grams of oats, 20 grams of peanut butter, which we have right here. We have a protein shake, a serving of fruit, and 2 whole eggs. Even though I already messed up the orders that I have to eat my meals in, all the meals that I show you guys are still gonna be the same. But I'm mad hungry, so I'm just gonna consume my first meal and then I'll catch up for my second. What you guys saw just now was that I signed up for my, I keep wanting to say first, but my second bodybuilding competition ever. It's crazy that my first bodybuilding show was almost a whole year ago. But the good thing about me signing up for this show is that I don't have to pay as much, just because I don't have to pay for all the classes I have to compete in. Basically, last year I competed in 3 classes: debut, amateur, and open. I won first place in my debut and amateur category, and open I got second place, so I still have to compete in that. And if we win this year, then I'll get my pro card. This is going to be a huge competition for me because I have so many friends and just family that are coming to the show. So I really want to get first place. I'm going to do everything I can to get first place. I've been dialed with diet, cardio, training, everything I possibly can be dialed with in the last 5 months. I have another 6 weeks to go, so which 6 weeks kind of seems like a long time. Not really anymore since it's like a month and a half away. But I promise you 6 weeks will go by so quick, especially for me. I can't even believe I'm already 6 weeks out. So I'm just gonna do everything I can in order to win the show. I have my protein shake right here that I still haven't finished yet, but I will catch you guys for meal number 2. Just finished cooking my second meal. We have 160 grams of rice and 6 ounces of 93.7 cooked ground beef. Also just flipped my chicken, and it's still in the air fryer for another 12 minutes. Once the chicken's done, I'm just gonna prep it into a little container so I can take it on my walk that I'm gonna do later today. As of right now, I'm just gonna eat my beef and rice as my pre-workout meal. And then next place you're gonna see me at is at the gym. So I'll catch you guys there. All right guys, we're at the gym right now. We got Brody right there, Carver right there, and we are at No Limit Fitness. Last time I came here, they didn't really have too much equipment in the turf area, and that's where we're at right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. The turf area is kind of filled with other machines. We're gonna be hitting back and biceps today, more emphasis on the back, and we'll do probably like 1 or 2 bicep exercises. We already took our pre in the car like 20-25 minutes ago, and my face is feeling a little itchy, so we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna be starting with lat pull downs first, so let's get to it.
I want you to know that it's our time. You and me bleed the same light. I want you to know that I'm all yours. You and me run the same course. I'm slipping down a chain reaction, and here I go, here I go, here I go, go.
Alright guys, Alright guys, this gym is super loud. The music's mad loud as well. So we're mic'd up right now. We got a DJ mic. I don't think I've ever used this in a video before. I've had this for a while though. We just finished our warm-up set for the lat pull down. We're gonna hop right into our working sets. 2 working sets, 6 to 8 reps, all to failure, and then move on to the next exercise.
I want you to know that it's our time. You and me bleed the same light. I want you to know that I'm all yours. You and me, we're the same force. I want you to know that it's our time. You and me bleed the same light. I want you to know.
That was loud. Too light. As you guys saw, 3 plates was fairly easy for me. I'm gonna try 4 plates now and see how that is. If it's too heavy, I'm just gonna drop it to like a 25 instead of a 45. Hopefully this is a good way for me because I don't wanna waste energy doing a whole bunch of light weights, warm-up sets, all that junk volume. So we're gonna toss out 4 plates and see how that is. 4 plates. It might be like this way. You can put your middle finger between like this too.
Oh, that's way better.
Yeah. We're gonna take this. All right guys, our next back exercise is going to be this high to low row machine. We have this attachment over here, and not a lot of gyms have this, but this gym thankfully does.
Oh, see the snowman attachment.
Yeah, the carrot nose.
Oh, yeah.
Basically, this attachment just makes it easier for you to hold, hence making it easier for you to actually focus on the movement instead of focusing on your grip.
Bend your chest open so I can reach your heart. I need to get inside, or I will start a war. Wanna look at the pieces that make you who you are.
We just finished our back exercise for today, and now we're on to biceps. Probably just gonna do 1, maybe 2 bicep exercises. Our first bicep exercise is going to be this prime preacher curl, and then we're gonna head right into some hammer curls and then just wrap it up from there.
I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you.
This is a Lucas Carver clip?
Hey. Gotta get myself in it. Hold up. Just wrapped up the workout, and now we are doing some cardio. Brody and I are both cutting right now, so cardio is a daily thing we do. But Carvin, he does not do cardio at all. And he's escaping. We have 35 minutes to do, so he's stuck here until we finish. So we're officially 6 weeks out from our second bodybuilding show. And honestly, I do feel pretty confident where I'm at. I have a whole bunch of like old footage and pictures from last year when I was 6 weeks out, and comparing that to this year, I'm definitely leaner and I weigh more, which is always a good sign, meaning I built a good amount of tissue, muscle tissue, of course. I did drop a couple pounds from last video, which was my 7 weeks out video. So hopefully you guys see a difference in body composition. Being 6 weeks out, I definitely feel like my energy is slowly decreasing just because I'm getting leaner. But being this deep into prep, this is where you really need willpower. You need discipline, you need consistency. Everything you do throughout your day, week, month, year affects how you're gonna be in the future. An example of this is that, I get cravings. I want to eat certain foods, like crumble cookie, I want some sweets all the time during this prep. But if I really want to get first place in the show, if I really want to achieve my goals of bodybuilding, I gotta take action and not make sacrifices that can hinder me in the future. I feel like I'm just yapping and saying whatever is on my mind right now. But we do have another 5 minutes of cardio left, which, isn't a lot, it'll go by quick. But after this, I'll probably show you guys all the other meals that I have left throughout this day. So I'll catch you guys after.
I'll make it right again, but it's no use. You said my hunger goes and goes.
All right, guys, it's the next day and we went to the gym yesterday, but I just didn't feel like recording the rest of my meals after we went to the gym because I was all tired, exhausted, all that stuff. So I just went and ate my meals without recording them. But we are on the next day and same thing. After my workout, I would eat a pre-workout meal, which I have right here. The meal is basically 6 ounces of cooked chicken breast and 160 grams of white rice. I told you guys in the beginning of the video that I have to get 10 to 12,000 steps in a day on top of the cardio that I already do. Usually after my workouts, I would just go to a trail by my gym and just walk it. It's a pretty long trail. I think it's like 3 miles, 3.5 mile trail. So I would just go here, walk, get my steps in, and basically just enjoy nature, because before I would just work out and I wouldn't really go anywhere. I would just, go to the gym, go home, and that's about it. But now being on prep, I actually have to get my steps in, 10 to 12,000 steps. And it's really making me go outside and just, explore nature, enjoy a little more. It's really gotten me to take time out of my day to just look at a tree, bro. Because I don't really look at trees. I swear the other day I was like, looking at a random tree, I was like, yo, this is a beautiful tree, man. We got a river behind us as well, and I'll take videos of all that stuff. I'm out of breath already, man. We got Brody right there, he's chilling, being nonchalant and whatnot. On such a serious note, I do cardio when I was bulking and stuff, but I did it in the gym. But ever since I just got outside, it's been so much better on my mental. And it's just better to touch some grass, But we're gonna walk this trail a little bit. I'll show you guys I'll do some little montage of some nature stuff.
When you walked on the water, going through the surface quicker than you say.
We are back home. I'm in my room right now. Got my headphones on because I'm editing the YouTube video that you guys are watching right now. This is the last part that I need and it's my final meal. So I'm just gonna record this real quick so I can put in the video so I can release this to you guys as soon as I can. But this is our last meal. It does not look appealing at all. It's 3 ounces of cooked 93.7 ground beef and 3 ounces of chicken breast. Sadly, I don't get any carbs this meal, and probably in a couple of weeks, most of my carbs will probably be gone from my diet plan, but I really don't mind it because we are getting shredded, and if I look good, I feel good, you know what I'm saying? But this wraps up the full day of eating. I haven't really done one of these in a while, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. In this video, my goal was to talk a little bit more so you guys get to know me a little better and know how I think, how I act, all that good stuff. So I hope I talked a good amount and not too much where I'm just yapping your ears off. With that being said, we are 6 weeks out right now. We're just counting down the weeks. until show day. I'm really trying to be consistent on YouTube, trying to post every week like I said before. I'm gonna eat my meal and head to bed, but thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for keeping up with the series. 6 more weeks, guys, but I'm gonna see you guys in next week's videos. Peace out.
Toughen it, pull up.
Pull downs, 2 rows or something.
Lean back. Yes. Lean back. How do you lean back? Oh, actually more.
Yo, let me show me something. Show me something, bro. Oh, that's fire. Oh, dude, that looks sick. Yeah.
Oh, that's creepy, dude.
Whoa.